In this video, you learn that how to control AC bulb with Arduino. So let's make the circuit, and first of all, pick the component from here. Choose the Arduino Uno, double click on it. Now choose the lamp, double click on it. Now choose the alternator. This is the AC power supply, double click on it. And now choose the relay, double click on it. Now choose the button, double click on it. Now click on OK. First of all, place the Arduino Uno here. Now connect the relay with it. Connect the 13 pin with the relay, and now connect the lamp with it. Connect it like this. Now connect the alternator with it. Connect it with the relay and the lamp like this. Now make the voltage from 12 to 5, as Arduino can only handle the 5-volt components, and change the voltage from 6 to 220. Now ground the relay as well, and ground the circuit. Connect ground with the Arduino as well, and connect power with it as well. Now connect the push button with the Arduino NR pin and ground it. Now circuit is almost ready, and now circuit is almost ready, and now let's check the code. So you can see here the code, run it, and you can see the comments which are written with almost every line. So copy the hex file from here, select the hex file address from here, and now press Ctrl C. Paste the hex file in the Arduino, and now paste it here and click on OK. Now run the simulation. So how it will works? Whenever I press this push button, so it will then turn on the AC bulb. Here you can see the 220 AC power supply. Let me press it, and here you can see the lamp is now turned on. You can see here, whenever I turn off this button, so it will be turned off. Then you can see here, let me press it again, it's turned on. Let me press it again. Here you can see, press it, the lamp is now turned on. And now let me off it, and here you can see it's turned off. Press it again, the AC bulb is now turned on, and whenever I off this button, so the bulb will be turned off. Then the Arduino is controlling the AC bulb with the help of this relay. Let me turn off it again, press it again. So this was the method of how to control AC bulb with Arduino. The circuit diagram and code link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the project, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.